Want to keep your chat spoiler-free and suspenseful on Discord Mobile? Let's dive in. First, open your Discord app and navigate to the server or direct message where you want to send a spoiler. Now imagine you have some text you want to hide to start. You'll need to type a /, followed immediately by the word spoiler. So you'll type /SPOILER. Right after you type spoiler, you'll type another /. This spoiler combination is your magic key now. Type the text you want to hide right after that. So if you want to say expect a surprise, you type spoiler, expect a surprise. To complete the spoiler, you need to close it off with another /. This tells Discord that everything between the two / is a spoiler. The final format looks like this spoiler, your hidden message. When you send this message, it will appear as a blurred out section in the chat. Anyone who wants to see the hidden text simply needs to tap on it. See, your message is now safely concealed and ready to be revealed by your friends. This is perfect for sharing secret plot points, surprising your gaming buddies with upcoming events, or just keeping things fun and interactive in your conversations. Mastering the spoiler tag on Discord Mobile is a simple yet impactful way to enhance your chats. Give it a try and keep your community engaged.